table, and in this example, we're working with a sheet called data types. In this video, we'll go through how to add columns with different data types. To add a new column, you'll see a plus button here labeled Add Column. Click on that, and it opens up the Field Types panel. This is where you'll find all the different types of columns you can add. You'll see multiple categories like basic types, select types, date and time, contact and location fields, media-related fields, people fields, and also system-defined types. So depending on your use case, you can pick the type that fits your data. Let's start simple. I'll add a short text field and name it last name. You can also add a description here, something like user's last name. Once you save it, the column appears in your table along with the description. Similarly, you can add another column. Let's create a number field and define it as age, which will store the user's age. Moving forward, you can also use select type fields. For example, let's add a multi-select field and name it favorite country. Here, you can define multiple options like India, USA, and Australia, and users can select more than one option. You can also use a single select field. For example, let's create one for gender. You can add options, edit them, remove them, and customize the list as needed before saving. Now, let's look at something more advanced, which is the formula field. Formula fields allow you to create calculated columns. For example, if you want to combine first name and last name into a full name, you can use a formula. Click on Formula, go to Functions, and select Concat. Then choose the fields you want to combine. You can also search or type field names directly. Once configured, give the column a name like full name and save it. Now this column will automatically calculate values based on your data. Since it's a calculated field, you won't be able to edit it manually. Apart from this, there are several other useful field types like phone number, address, email, zip code, and file upload. You also have system-generated fields like created time. This automatically records when a row was created. These fields are not editable, but they help you track your data over time. You can also include time details along with the created date to get more precise information. And finally, if you want to store something like a user's contact number, you can simply add a phone number field and use it accordingly. And these are just some of the column types available. There are many more you can explore inside TinyTables based on your use case. And honestly, all it takes is a TinyCommand.